This is your Pradeep Chaudhary. Today in this class I would like to explain about present perfect continuous tense to expand the sentences. If you see first one, I have been eating. So if you see that sentences, I have been eating, only subject, helping verb and only main verb is there, object is not there. Okay, and if you see second one, so here I have been eating chocolates since childhood. So here we added I have been eating chocolates since childhood. So here since is nothing but the point of time. Particularly we are mentioning since 2 o'clock, since Monday, since last week, since last month, since last year. So in that way, when we are going to speak about point of time, at that time we have to use the since. So why they mention since here? Childhood. So since childhood means when we are small, infant, baby. So from that onwards, what I am doing? I have been eating chocolates since my childhood. I have been good. I have been good at math since age of 12. So when I was 12 years old, from that age onwards, I have been good at math. That means I am good in math. I am perfect in math subject. So when onwards? When I am 12 years old. I have been a student. I have been a student at the school for 5 years. So here we used for. Why we used for? Because for is mentioned for only period of time. 5 years. For 5 years. Which 5 years? We are unable to calculate. For 5 months. Which 5 months? For 5 hours. Morning or evening. For 5 days. For 5 weeks. For 5 years. So in this way, here only period of time is there. So if you want to speak about period of time, you must use only for. If you want to speak about point of time, you must use only since. And next example, he has been eating. He has been eating here for 15 minutes. So from home, that means here he has been eating here for 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes onwards he is eating here. Next, he has been good. He has been good to me since I gave him some money. I gave some money to him. From that time onwards, he has been good to me. So here they mention since because I gave him some money. So I gave him some money is nothing but exactly point of time. I knew when I gave money to my friend. The date I know. The time I know. Each and everything. That's why we mention here since. And he has been a student. He has been a student for medicine for 3 years. From 3 years onwards, he is a student in medicine. That's why he has been a student for medicine for 3 years. So in a present perfect continuous tense, in present perfect continuous tense, the action was started in the past and it is continuing sometime in the past. So next coming to past perfect continuous tense. I had been eating. I had been eating chocolates before my marriage. Here two sentences are there. One is past perfect continuous tense. Second one is the simple present here. See, I had been eating chocolates before my marriage. So up to before my marriage, what I am doing? I had been eating chocolates continuously. I had been good. I had been good with neighbors until they left. So here until they left, what I am doing? I had been good with the neighbors. I had been a student. I had been a student in that school for 12 years. How many years I studied in that school? 12 years. So I have been a student in that school for 12 years. He had been eating chocolates until my surgery happened. Until my surgery happened, he had been eating chocolates. He had been good. He had been a student to me until I beat him up. So until I beat him up, he is a good student. I had been as a student. So I had been a student of medicine when he stayed in Chennai. That means here I had been a student of medicine when he stayed in Chennai. When he stayed in Chennai, I had been student of medicine. Otherwise, he is friend. So in this here, one is present perfect continuous tense. Second one is past perfect continuous tense. If you see the structure regarding present perfect continuous tense, subject place, have has place, been place, V4 place, object. So if you see past perfect continuous tense, subject place, had place, been place, V4 place, object. So if you see have forms here, have and has regarding present perfect continuous tense. I have been, we have been, you have been, they have been. She has been, he has been, it has been. So in a past perfect continuous tense, I had been, we had been, she had been, you had been, they had been, it had been. So in this way, we can expand the sentences by understanding the subjects. If it is a singular subject, singular helping verb. If it is a plural subject, plural helping verb. In a future perfect continuous tense, structure is subject place, shall or will place, have place, been place, V4 place, object. So it is the structure for the future perfect continuous tense. If you see the examples, I will have been eating, and I will have been good, and I will have been a doctor. So according to linear and conditional sentences, what I told you in a past perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, regarding future perfect continuous tense, in all formats, all these are same. Directly in this way only we can expand the sentences. I will have been eating by this time tomorrow. So in this way we can express the future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.